Video about eyebrows. I've got a good definition on my arms actually. We'll do a video on that later. I did 25 press-ups this morning. Not bad, using my own body weight, so therefore I have to keep it down. Anyway, today I want to talk about eyebrows. A few years ago somebody said to me, "Do you know you've got no eyebrows?" I hadn't been really conscious of them before that. I had overplucked them when I was much younger, but I don't think the reason that I don't have much eyebrow now, or I didn't, was because of overplucking. I think over time I have got less eyebrow. However, today I think if you look at my eyebrows, they're not bad. These are my own unadorned eyebrows. And I want to tell you how I got them back from, "Oh, you've got no eyebrows," to what they are today. I use Regaine. It's a baldness cure containing minoxidil. It's used by both men and women for hereditary hair loss. Now, I just want to explain that sometimes on the can it says don't use it if you're over 49. My can says for men only. However, there's an awful lot on the internet, Makeup Alley and places like that, thousands of people saying it's absolutely brilliant for eyebrows. Now, the reason that things aren't recommended is because they've never been tested. It's not because they're going to be harmful, though of course we obviously have to keep it out of our eyes, just the same as we do eyelash makeup and eyebrow dyes. So the FDA, which has recommended minoxidil for hair loss, has not tested it on eyebrows, and that's why it's not recommended. I'm not recommending it for you, I'm just saying it's been absolutely marvellous for me. So I'll show you how I use it. I shake the minoxidil, squirt a tiny little bit in its cap. Even that is actually a bit too much. Then I put some on a Q-tip. I've got rather bad sight, so I'm going to use another mirror, and brush it the wrong way. I brush it up like that, so it gets the roots. Put some more on. Of course, I am careful. I don't put it all over the place, but what I do is I tend to try to regrow the eyebrow in the shape that I want. So if you take a look here, you can see I go up a bit over there, and I am actually creating more hair here. And the other side. I do this usually just once every 24 hours. And it took about 6 weeks, I think, for my eyebrows to start growing again. And now I think you will agree they're not really bad, are they? Especially considering I've got no eyebrow makeup on. So I'll just do the other one. And I go up over here, down. I'm trying to grow the little bit just over there upwards. I think it's working. So there you are. That's minoxidil for eyebrows. I find it absolutely wonderful. Check it out on the internet. See if you agree with me.